Do you want to learn how to play your palmas, abiertas, and cerradas? And also know about body percussion, pitos, clicking, and different sounds you can do with your body. Hi guys, it's Maria Vega with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. So today we are talking about clapping and body percussion. Palmas, we made it obviously with the two hands in two different positions. The palmas sordas and the palmas abiertas. The palmas sordas sound like this. We use the palmas sordas when we don't want to be very loud, because maybe the singer is singing a letra or there's a very beautiful part of the guitar or falseta that we want to accompany with the rhythm, but we really don't want to be overwhelming. Okay, how I do the palmas sordas? Easy. It's just to position your hand in a slightly curved way. So instead of like this, for the palmas abiertas, we're just creating like a little space in between of both hands. You will definitely want to go for the palmas abiertas when you really want to be loud with your palmas. Basically, the palma abierta goes like this. Stretch your hands and just put one of your hands in the palm of the other. Okay, if you're left-handed, obviously, you'll do it with the other arm. I'm right-handed, so this is my good side. Okay? It's really good to do contratamp with another person doing palmas abiertas. It's very effective when you're trying to do a remate. Let me now show you an example on how to use the tamp in the contratamp, being the tamp with your foot and the contratamp with your clapping. You know about your palmas sordas and palmas abiertas, let's learn a bit more about body percussion with other parts of our body. The most popular one, I would say, is the clicking or pitos. This really helps you to keep up with your rhythm while you are dancing. Let me give you an example for bulerías. You can also use other parts of your body. The most popular ones are here in the chest bone, which can be a bit painful and leave you this a bit red. I do that all the time. And also your thighs. Yeah, just a little tip is try not to hit here in the fleshy part, but more here in the bony part, so it will be less painful. Let me now give you another example of body percussion in bulerías. that is just an easy combination, but really your imagination is the limit. Now that you know how to clap in flamenco and to use your body as another instrument of percussion, you can start playing with the different rhythms in flamenco. I will be doing many more videos about the flamenco rhythms or palos del flamenco, which could be tangos, bulerías, alegrías, soleá, seguirilla, and many more. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me your like if you did. You can also follow me on other social media like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram as Maria Vega Dancer. I would love to keep in touch with you. Please guys, let me know about your thoughts down below in the comments. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!